Today, Peppa and her family are going on the night train to a very far-away seaside.
It's bedtime now. We can play with the beach ball tomorrow at the beach.
But I don't want to go to sleep.
Well, we're not going to sleep yet. We're having a sleepover.
Yay!
Peppa and George love sleepovers.
Can we have a midnight feast? You need to have a midnight feast at a sleepover, Daddy. It's the rules.
Right you are. Follow me.
Hooray!
Everyone has come to the dining carriage to get the midnight feast.
Hello. Oh,
Hello. What would you like?
we'd like a midnight feast, please.
One. Midnight feast coming up. Here you go. Fruit and warm milk. Perfect before a good sleep.
Thank you.
Everyone tucks into their midnight feast, gives their teeth a good brush, and gets comfy in bed.
Can we have a bedtime story?
Oh, OK, Peppa. Just one story and then sleep.
Hooray!
This is the story of the magic night train.
Ooh.
Once upon a time, there was a magic night train which didn't need train tracks because it could fly.
Yay! Woohoo! Whee! Ooh! Yippee! Chicka, chicka, chicka. Wow! Huh? It's morning, and we're not in space anymore.
Space? What do you mean?
I think we fell asleep, George.
Peppa had a wonderful dream about a magical night train.
Look, we've arrived at the seaside.
Peppa and her family have arrived at the very far-away seaside, and they all enjoyed their train sleepover.
Who's ready for an adventure to the seaside? Hooray!
Peppa and her family are going out for the day.
Oh dear, I think I forgot to put petrol in the car.
Never mind. Let's take the train to the beach.
Hooray!
Peppa and her family are catching a train to the seaside.
Tickets, please.
We're going to the seaside. And Mummy didn't put petrol in the car.
How exciting. I love the seaside.
I think it's time for some lunch. Peppa, let's look for the dining carriage. Whoa.
Daddy Pig and Peppa are walking through the train to the dining carriage. It is very wobbly.
Oh, this carriage must be for passengers who want to sleep.
Whoa!
This carriage must be for people who want to play on the train.
Wow! Hi, Danny. Hi, Gerald. Whee!
Ah, this must be the cinema carriage.
Excuse me.
Peppa and Daddy Pig have found the dining carriage.
Ah,
This carriage must be for people who want lunch. Is that your tummy rumbling, Daddy?
I'm afraid the train has broken down.
Oh dear, we'll have to take the bus.
Now, Peppa's family are waiting to catch the bus to the seaside.
All aboard! Next stop, the seaside!
Whoa!
The bus has broken down.
I think somebody forgot petrol again. Now how will we get to the seaside?
Well, we can walk.
The seaside is just down the hill.
This was the best trip to the seaside ever. I can't wait to see how we get back home.
Today, Peppa and her family have come to London to watch Super Potato, the musical.
Goodness, we'd better get walking or we'll miss the start of the show.
Oh no! We're going to get all wet.
Not to worry, we can take the underground train instead.
Hooray!
The underground train is underground. It never rains underground. And there is a colourful map that shows where all the trains go.
It looks like spaghetti.
So, we are here. And we need to get here.
We can take the blue train first, and then...
Take the red train.
Yes, well done, Peppa. Off we go!
First, Peppa must have her ticket checked by the ticket barrier.
Thank you, ticket robot. I'm stuck.
Hold tight, Peppa. I'll get you out.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
This way, Peppa. Follow the blue line, everyone.
I'm stuck too. The train is arriving at the platform from a very dark tunnel. The train is very, very busy.
Why is everybody rushing?
They are in a hurry. Everyone on the underground train is in a hurry.
On we go. Watch your step, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Welcome aboard the blue train. Mind the doors.
Hold on, Peppa. The underground train is very bumpy.
On your left, you'll see under the ground. And on your right, you'll see even more under the ground. Change here for the red train.
The red train? That's us. Watch your step, George. Hold tight, everyone. We're here, we're here.
The show starts in a few minutes. We might miss the beginning.
Oh, no, you won't. Follow me. I'll get you to Super Potato the Musical on time, or my name isn't...
Super Potato! Hooray!
Big celebrity coming through! Make way for the star, thank you. No autographs today.
Super Potato is in a hurry too. Everyone on the underground train is in a hurry. Today, Peppa and her friends are at a go-kart track.
Hello, everybody. Who's ready to race go-karts?
Me!
Peppa and her friends put on their race suits.
Red is my favourite colour.
Ooh.
And don't forget your safety helmets. Now, let's pick your go-karts.
Yay!
Danny Dog has put his helmet on backwards.
Now, the pedals make the go-kart go, and the brakes make it stop. And the steering wheel helps the go-kart turn.
Whee!
It's just like riding a bike. Why don't you all give it a try and start pedalling slowly?
I drive a big car all the time. A go-kart should be easy. Whoa! Whoa! Oh dear, I think I went a little bit too fast. Now, how do I turn around?
The go-kart race has begun.
This is fun!
But Susie Sheep is pedalling backwards.
Try pedalling forward, Susie.
Forward? Oh!
Woohoo!
Danny Dog is pedalling very quickly.
Remember to use the brake, Danny.
Mummy Pig is having trouble making her go-kart go.
Let's see. This makes it go backwards.
Do you need help, Mummy Pig?
Oh, no thank you, Miss Rabbit. I'm sure I can do it.
My go-kart is too wiggly!
Peppa is driving all over the racetrack.
Turn the steering wheel more gently, Peppa.
Oh! Much better.
Peppa and her friends like driving around the racetrack in their go-karts.
There we go. Whee!
And Mummy Pig has finally got her go-kart moving.
Time's up. Well done, everybody.
Hooray!
But the go-kart race has finished.
Oh,
Peppa and her friends love racing go-karts. Peppa and her family are out in the car.
Oh!
But they're having a bit of trouble.
Oh dear, the car won't start.
You've broken down. Don't worry, I'll take you to the garage. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Mr. Bull is towing the car away to be fixed. George and Peppa like being towed.
Aha! Oh dear, I see. Well, we can fix it,
oh good.
but we'll have to order a new part. It won't be easy or cheap.
Oh dear. How long will it take?
It will take as long as it takes.
But how will I get to work?
There's lots of cars you can use while yours is being fixed. Follow me.
There's lots of spare cars at the garage.
Pick any one you like.
A motorbike. This is perfect. Let's take it for a test drive.
Daddy Pig likes riding the motorbike.
Hello.
Oh!
But motorbikes don't keep you dry in the rain.
Maybe we need something a bit tougher.
Let's try this.
Peppa has found a monster truck, which is very tough.
I think a monster truck might be a bit too tough for what we need.
Sorry. What about something nice and spacious, like this bus?
Mummy Pig likes the bus very much.
It's ever so roomy and peaceful. Oh dear.
But everyone thinks it's a real bus. There's only one car left for Peppa and her family to try.
It's a bit smelly.
That's because it's my lorry for collecting the recycling. So you can't take that one, I'm afraid.
I'm not sure we'll ever find a car as perfect as our car.
Well, that's lucky. You took so long to pick a new car that we managed to fix your old one.
Hooray!
Thank you, Mr. Bull. Thank you, Grandad Dog.
Peppa's family like driving different cars, but they like driving their family car most of all. Today, Peppa and George are at a fun fair.
Hi, Peppa. Have you been in the fun house yet? What's a fun house?
It's a special fun fair house that has lots of silly rooms and funny hallways.
Can me and George go into the fun house? Please? Please?
Hello, Miss Rabbit. 2 for the fun house.
To enter the fun house, Mummy Pig must buy tokens from Miss Rabbit. But the tokens cost more coins than Mummy Pig thought.
Oh.
Thank you, Mummy Pig. Right this way.
Hooray! Ooh!
This is the Rickety Rackety Bridge. Pass through to see the rest of the fun house.
Peppa is moving very slowly and carefully across the bridge. But George thinks it's fun to go very fast.
Your way is much better, George. Whee!
Congratulations. Now you need to follow the arrows.
This way, George. These mirrors are so wobbly.
The funhouse mirrors make Peppa and George look very silly indeed.
This mirror makes me look so tall. And you look like you have a very big head, George. That one makes you look really round. Round? And this mirror makes me look like Miss Rabbit.
That's because I am Miss Rabbit. Follow me to the twisty-turny tunnel.
The funhouse tunnel spins round and round,
Ooh!
and it's very windy.
Look! After the tunnel, we get to go down the slide. Slide! I'll help you, George.
I wonder what's taking so long. I hope they're not lost.
How was it?
The fun house was really fun.
How fitting.
Everyone loves the funhouse because the funhouse is very... Today, Peppa and her classmates are visiting a chocolate factory.
Can I try some chocolate, please, Miss Rabbit?
You can, Peppa.
Yay!
But we've got to make it first.
Oh.
Peppa is very excited to make chocolate.
How do we make it, Miss Rabbit?
With this machine.
Hello, machine. Can you make me some chocolate, please? Thank you, machine. Yay! Now can I try some of it, please?
Not yet, Peppa. We need to decorate it first. Follow me.
Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to decorate the chocolate too.
You can decorate 1 chocolate bar each.
Ooh, it looks like a muddy puzzle.
Yes, but don't jump in it, Peppa.
And you can add whatever decorations you like from the table as long as it's yummy.
Mine is a carroty chocolate bar. Squeak!
Delicious!
Mine is a cheesy chocolate bar. Squeak!
Yum, yum.
And mine is a spaghetti chocolate bar.
Oh.
Because strawberry laces look like spaghetti.
Phew. Scrumptious.
Can I try some chocolate now, please, Miss Rabbit?
Almost, Peppa. The chocolate needs to cool in the fridge first.
The fridge is very cold and makes the liquid chocolate harden into bars.
And done.
Can we please try some chocolate now, Miss Rabbit?
Not yet, Pep. Oh, wait. Yes, you can.
Delicious! Scrum-diddly-action!
Is something wrong, Peppa?
No, I just really liked it when the chocolate was all runny like a muddy puddle.
Oh, then it's lucky I have one more treat for you all. It's...
A chocolate fountain! It's just like a giant chocolate muddy puddle.
And lots of nice healthy fruit to dip too.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Peppa loves muddy puddles, especially when they're made out of chocolate.
Squish!
Today, Peppa and her playgroup are at a juice factory. They're learning how juice is made.
And this is the fruit squeezer. It squeezes all the juice out of the oranges.
Can I try squeezing oranges, Miss Rabbit?
Of course, you can all try.
Hooray!
Everyone is having lots of fun squeezing the oranges. But it is very hard work.
My hands are tired.
That's okay, because next up, we have the juice stomper.
The stomper has big boots to stomp out all the juice from the strawberries.
Ooh, can I try stomping, Miss Rabbit?
Yes, everyone can try.
Hooray!
Pop these boots on and stomp away.
It's just like jumping in a muddy puddle.
Well done, everyone. Now follow me. This is where the juice is put into cartons. We have to match the flavour with the picture on the cartons. What flavour is this one?
It's red. Is it strawberry?
Well done, Mandy. Press the red button to fill it up. And how about this one?
It's green. So, apple.
Spot on, Susie. And this one?
It's lots of colours.
Well done, Peppa. You've created a brand new type of juice.
It's rainbow juice.
Everyone thinks the rainbow juice looks very delicious indeed.
This is the tasting room. It's where we make sure all the juice tastes scrum-diddly-umptious.
Ooh!
But to make it fun, you have to guess what flavour each juice is.
Peppa and her playgroup love tasting juice.
Yum! This is orange juice.
This is apple juice.
This tastes like all the juices at once.
That's because it's your special rainbow juice.
Yum, yum, yum.
Peppa loves learning about juice, and Peppa really loves her delicious rainbow juice.